Καλημέρα φίλες και φίλοι. Τι κάνετε? Είμαι μία χαρά. Είμαι η Σάρα. I'm Sara and I am learning Greek. Μαθαίνω ελληνικά. I'm learning Greek every day. Μαθαίνω ελληνικά κάθε μέρα. My purpose for today is to tackle the family members and also to start using some possessive, especially mine, like my father, my mother, and your father, your mother, okay? So I'm going to pair these two objectives, family members, and also to use these two possessive, mine and your, okay? So take your pen and your notebook and let's work together, all right? Let's crack on. Πάμε! Πώς λένε family στα ελληνικά? Family στα ελληνικά είναι η οικογένεια. Η οικογένεια. Αυτή είναι η μητέρα μου. Ναι, η μητέρα μου. She is my mother. You could also say αυτή είναι η μαμά μου. She is my mom. Η μητέρα μου, η μαμά μου. My mom, my mother. Την λένε Σάρα. Την λένε Σάρα. Σαν εμένα. Σαν εμένα. Σαν εμένα, like me. Like me. Σαν εμένα. Αυτός είναι ο πατέρας μου. Αυτός είναι ο πατέρας μου. He is my father. You can also say αυτός είναι ο μπαμπάς μου. He is my dad. Τον λένε Μιγελάνγελ. Τον λένε Μιγελάνγελ. Αυτοί είναι οι γονείς μου. Αυτός είναι ο αδερφός μου. Αυτός είναι ο αδερφός μου. He is my brother. You can also say, I have seen in some books, αυτός είναι ο αδελφός μου. But I tend to hear more frequently αδερφός μου. Τον λένε Μιγέλ. Τον λένε Μιγέλ. Εγώ έχω μόνο έναν αδερφό. Εγώ έχω μόνο έναν αδερφό. I only have one brother. In here, in this sentence, I say εγώ έχω έναν αδερφό. I don't say αδερφός or αδερφός because in this sentence, the main subject is εγώ. If you need to revise this, I'm gonna advise you to check this link, okay? Because this is important, very important, okay? Let's imagine that I have a sister, okay? So, αυτή είναι η αδερφή μου. Αυτή είναι η αδερφή μου. Okay? So, she is my sister. So, in this case, I have one sister and one brother in this hypothetical situation. I could also say they are my siblings. In this case, I'm gonna use the neutral, alright? Αυτά είναι τα αδέρφια. Αυτά είναι τα αδέρφια. So, τα αδέρφια is the siblings and is neutral. So that's why I use αυτά. Okay? If you don't remember about αυτά, I'm gonna advise you to check these subjects I did like months ago. Okay? Let's ask some questions. Yeah, for you. Εσείς. πώς λένε τον πατέρα σου? Πώς λένε τον πατέρα σου? Πώς λένε την μητέρα σου? Πώς λένε την μητέρα σου? Έχεις αδέρφια? Ναι. Έχεις αδέρφια. Πώς λένε τον αδερφό σου? Πώς λένε τον αδερφό σου? Πώς λένε την αδερφή σου? Πώς λένε την αδερφή σου? In here, be attentive of the articles because I haven't used η αδερφή σου, ο αδερφός σου. Όχι. I haven't because in here they are not the main subject. I really need to check this more in deep, and as soon as I get more confident with this, I will let you know. But for now, just pay attention that when I ask the name of your father, of your mother, I use πώς λένε την μητέρα σου. I don't use η μητέρα. I don't use ο πατέρας. Όχι, I don't. Okay, so let's be attentive. Let's revise this vocabulary that we have seen with the possessives, mine and your, okay? Ο πατέρας. Ο πατέρας, father. Ο πατέρας μου, my father. Ο πατέρας σου, your father, σου. Η μητέρα. Η μητέρα, mother. Η μητέρα μου, my mother. Η μητέρα σου, your mother. Ο αδερφός, the brother. Ο αδερφός μου, my brother. Ο αδερφός σου, your brother. Η αδερφή, the sister. Η αδερφή μου, my sister. Η αδερφή σου, your sister. Τα αδέρφια. Τα αδέρφια, the siblings. Τα αδέρφια μου, my siblings. Τα αδέρφια σου, your siblings. Οι γονείς. Οι γονείς, parents, the parents. Οι γονείς μου, my parents. Οι γονείς σου, your parents. So this is the vocabulary with the possessive, alright, which is very important. And now, for the next couple of days, let's practice this again and again with your own family, okay? The same way I have done today with my video. I hope you have enjoyed this diary for today, and I hope you also keep practicing, alright, again and again until the names are in here, okay, like a tattoo, and we all become more fluent, alright? If you want to carry on following me, I just invite you to subscribe my channel, my Greek diary. Φιλάκια πολλά, τα λέμε μετά. Αντίο. Σας, εμένα. Όχι, σαν. Αυτή είναι, όχι, αυτά.